Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of April, 2025, our system has ranked iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.71. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The ETF is currently positioned in the lower segment of a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $89.50 is breached, it will first indicate a slowing rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 5.71% over the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 5.06% and 9.09%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a decrease of 3.18%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 9.10% and an increase of 7% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimated to be between $81.86 and $96.35. Our latest daily update for iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond includes the headline: Weaker technical forecast for iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond as ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The iShares 20+ Year Treasury Bond ETF price fell by 3.02% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, from $92.85 to $90.05. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.67%, reaching a day low of $89.80 and a day high of $92.19. The price has been moving up and down during this period, with a gain of 0.31% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 33 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 124 million shares were traded for approximately $11.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest price was $84.89. Currently, the price is 11.40%, or $11.59, below the 52-week high, and 49.89%, or $89.65, below the all-time high reached on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price was $179.70. Theralase Technologies Incorporated, trading under the symbol TLT, has made significant advancements with its lead compound, Ruvidar. Recently, the company announced a patient with Bacillus calmette-guerin unresponsive non-muscle invasive bladder cancer achieving a complete response lasting over 7 years. This breakthrough reinforces Ruvidar's potential in oncology, which may enhance investor confidence and influence TLT's stock price in the near future as successful clinical outcomes draw attention from major stakeholders and potential partnerships. Additionally, the impact of recent tariff announcements by President Trump has unsettled the markets, leading to a rise in long-term Treasury bond exchange-traded funds, including TLT. While these tariffs have raised concerns about a trade war, they are anticipated to generate considerable government revenue, potentially reducing the issuance of United States Treasuries. This situation typically boosts bond prices, positioning TLT advantageously in a fluctuating market. Furthermore, investment sentiment surrounding TLT remains optimistic as prominent investors such as Joe Terranova continue to increase their holdings in the exchange-traded fund. This trend reflects a growing confidence in TLT as a safe haven asset amid ongoing economic uncertainty. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond, ETF, holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a more negative forecast for the ETF. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $91.26 and $90.56. A breakout above any of these levels will produce buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 4, 2025, and so far it has declined by 3.02%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may be of interest to you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger also indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 2 days ago. The long-term moving average has a sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $89.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is regarded as quite low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $2.39 between its high and low, which accounts for 2.67%. During the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 1.53%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is at $90.40. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond encounters its first support level at $89.89. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a good buy? The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF currently shows several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond will likely perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we hold a negative assessment of this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond to open higher by 628 cents, starting at $90.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.